Hello student, let's start to learn. Standard ninth, subject Science and Technology, medium English and semi-English. Unit number 1, laws of motion. Today's my first point is distance time graph for uniform motion. And the second point is distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Thank you. Distance time graph for uniform motion. The following table shows the distance covered by a car in a fixed time interval. Draw a graph of distance against time, taking time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis as shown in the figure. Here is the time in second, distance in meter. First reading, time is 0 second and distance is 0 meter. Second reading, time is 10 second and distance is 15 meter. Third reading, time is 20 second and distance is 30 meter. Fourth reading, time is 30 second, distance is 45 meter. Fifth reading, time is 40 second, distance is 60 meter. Sixth reading, time is 50 second and distance is 75 meter. Seventh reading, time is 60 second and distance is 90 meters. Eighth reading, time is 70 second and distance is 105 meters. Now let's plot a graph. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 second. Here is the x-axis. Time is taken from 0 to 80 second. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meters. Here is the y-axis. Distance are taken on this y-axis from 0 to 140 meter. Now plot the graph. Time is 0 second and distance is 0 second. So our first point is here. Then second point, time is 10 second on x-axis and distance is 15 meter on y-axis. So second point at in between 7th and 8th line. So our here is a second point. Time is 20 seconds on x-axis and distance is 30 meters on y-axis. The from fifth line from the 20 meters. Here is our third point. Then fourth point, time is 30 second and distance is 45 meter. So from 40 meters line is point between two second and third line. So fifth point is time is 40 second on x-axis and distance is 60 meter on y-axis. So our fifth point is here. Sixth point, time is 50 second on x-axis and distance is 75 meters on y-axis. So this point is at 7 to 8 line on y-axis. Then time is 60 second on x-axis and distance is 90 meter on y-axis. So fifth line from the 80 meters. Here is the our seventh point. Eighth point, time is 70 second on x-axis and distance is 105 meters on y-axis. So this point is line between second and third line. So 8 point is here. Then draw the line in these points. This line shows an object in uniform motion covers the equal distance in equal time intervals. Thus, the graph between the distance and time is a straight line. Distance time graph for non-uniform motion. The following table shows the distance covered by a bus in equal time intervals. Draw a graph of distance against time, taking the time on x-axis and distance on y-axis, as shown in the figure. Does the graph show direct proportional between the distance and time? To find out answer of this question, let's plot the graph. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 seconds. Here is the x-axis. Time is taken on x-axis from 0 to 40 seconds. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. Distance is taken on this y-axis from 0 meter to 70 meter. The first point, time is 0 second and distance is 0 meters on y-axis. So this is our first point. Then second point, time is 5 second and distance is 7 meter on y-axis. So here is our second point. Third point, time is 10 second on x-axis and distance is 12 meter on y-axis. Here is our third point. Then fourth point, time is 15 second on x-axis. Then distance is 20 meters on y-axis. Here is the distance. So this is our fourth point. Fifth point, time is 20 second on x-axis and y-axis distance is 30 meters. So this is our fifth point. Then sixth point, time is 25 second on x-axis. Then distance is 41 meter on y-axis. So this is our sixth point. Then seventh point, time is 30 second on x-axis and distance is 50 meters on y-axis. So this is our seventh point. Eighth point, time is 35 second on x-axis and distance is 58 meter on y-axis. So this is our last point. Draw the line in this point. This line shows the distance changes non-uniformly with time, thus the bus having a non-uniform motion.